Hey friends, welcome back to my video channel one more time. So today we will learn how my friend made about $2,000 with online tutoring jobs on his campus. So you heard me right. It's about $2,000 on campus while studying. So if you're a student, then this video is just for you. My friend made around $2,100 from tutoring on his college campus in just one semester. This was an extra money that helped him to pay down his debt and also it allowed him to have some fun. I know that you can make money tutoring next to your semester if you apply the advice offered in this video. There is a money to be made on your college campus or online from tutoring other students. So this video is going to show you on how to make money on your college campus by creating your online tutoring jobs in a different fields. So the question is, are you a college student first and looking to make money around the campus? Then I want to show you exactly how a buddy was able to make money from tutoring a student. So it's a great idea and all, but how exactly do you do it? So how can a student make money online on their campus while testing out their entrepreneurship skills? So what is tutoring first? This is a perfect side hustle and opportunity for students to make money. You have to work on your marketing, presentation and delivery of the tutor. This could be your first test of entrepreneurship also. So if you are anything like me, then you like to having things explained to you. You have many questions running through your mind. For example, how do you make money from tutoring? How do you set your prices for this one? What do you tutor about? And where do you find the clients also? So I can personally answer these questions for you guys because I never tutored, but I really wanted to help with making the money online. So this is why I reached out to a good friend of mine that I know who makes money from tutoring. So on a ride home after a mini road trip, he was kind enough to let me pick his brain about it, and the guys exactly know how he made the money of like $2,100 from tutoring over the last semester with an advertising budget of $0. So where do you find clients for your tutoring business? Online. So going online is the easiest way to land tutoring clients. Now I know that this sounds vague, so let's narrow it down. How do you find tutoring jobs online? Facebook groups. So every college has a Facebook groups. Okay, every university has their own Facebook groups. These groups are narrowed down by the program and the levels also. So posting ads on various sites about it. You never know where you will land a client. Student forums also are there. Okay, so student forums is a great place where you can publish your tutors. So are you on any forums, or if you are not, then you should go and get into a student forum first. Then also tutoring the databases. Have you checked out the tutoring websites and databases that are already present online? You can go there and check out. You can also become a tutor to a student around the world also by going online presence. So there is also word of mouth publicity. So my friend hasn't spent a single penny on advertising. He hasn't put up any flyers also. So he hasn't created any fancy business cards or something like that. But he created a website and to promote his services. Not that there is anything from with of these things. So what gets around fast, and when half of the class appears to be failing the course, then at the midterms, then the help is needed for them. Okay, so they will start searching for such a tutors which are available online. So word of mouth means that you simply find one client and then you encourage them to bring like their friends for discounted rate also. The goal is to spread the word until you have a decent stream of tutoring clients. Then being visible around the campus. That is also a very important point here. My friend has held many jobs within the accounting department. So from teaching assistant to exam invigilator, students within the department know who he is, and most important of all, they know that they can trust him. Okay, so you have to build this kind of trust also. As a matter of fact, before he even thought of tutoring, students came up to him to ask if he could tutor them. Okay, so after a few free sessions, it became evident that there is demand for this service. The demand for tutoring also comes with the willingness to pay for the service also. So the potential clients clearly know that they have a problem and they are willing to pay for it and have their problems resolved. So offer group sessions and rates also. This is next step into this. You want students that appreciate the value of your services. Okay. However, you also need to understand that some students are on a tight budget. This is why you should offer group rates also. Okay. So those students who can't afford it like single or individual tutoring, then they can go into a group and have a discounted rates for their sessions. So if a student wants to get a lower rate, then simply suggest that they bring together a group of their peers and offer them a decent lowered overall per person rate or per person price. So you can guarantee you can graduate from a college debt free if you are applying this strategy while you are also a student and are seniors to the other people. Then if you put a work into it, obviously. So there is no reason as to why you can't share your knowledge. Okay, do you see yourself making money from tutoring after watching this video? You just let me know into the comments below. So give a tutoring a shot. You must be able to turn this into a real business like the Theo did. Okay, so my friend did. So if you know your stuff and can explain it very well, then tutoring can bring you in some real money also. Okay, so guys, go ahead with this strategy and you can start making money online while you're on campus. Okay, don't just stop there. You can also make it your later part of life where you can turn it into the business. There are very much platforms online like Udemy, Byju's, who has created a whole platform for the students, and they have like made millions out of this. Okay, since this is a digital world, students need their assignments online. Okay, they need to learn from the online devices, from their mobile phones, from their laptops, right from their homes. So this is also a good business opportunity if you ask me. So after graduating or after having your education finished, you can also turn this into a full-time business. You can go online, create your own website for that matter. Okay, start giving lecture-based or tutorial-based lessons on that website. You can also offer them a premium membership. So premium membership will bring you more money as compared to the sessions or group offerings or the discounted rates. You can have modules created for them. Let's say you are tutoring for the pharmacy college, then you can have from first year to final year modules included into your subject. Okay, and then you can offer them as only for the premium members. And you can also have some free sessions also, because never forget that with the free sessions you can also get a lot of publicity. As we spoke at the start of the video, that mouth publicity is very important. So once your website starts getting published over the internet, you can automatically start driving a lot of money to your account. So guys, go ahead and start with this strategy today and start making money. Thank you.